Guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's 30th of May today, like 12 a.m. in the morning, and tomorrow I'm going on my first trip. ट्रिप नहीं कहूँगी, लाइक एक दिन के लिए ट्रिप ही बोल सकते हैं, whatever. तो एक दिन के लिए मैं और मेरी फ्रेंड हम लोग जा रहे हैं कहाँ पे घूमने, लाइक नियर बाय एरिया है, बट हम लोग वहाँ पे रुकने वाले हैं एक दिन स्टे लेने वाले हैं. लाइक हम लोग जा रहे हैं कर्नाटका साइड में. तो लेट्स सी, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू डॉक्यूमेंट इट, क्योंकि मैं पहली बार लाइफ में मेरी मम्मी पापा या मेरे कोई एल्डर्स के बिना मैं अपने आप मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ कहाँ पे घूमने जा रही हूँ. तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू डॉक्यूमेंट दिस पार्ट. आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि सब कुछ अच्छे से हो. तो लेट्स सी, आई ट्राई टू व्लॉग टुमारो इन द मॉर्निंग. So I'll keep you all guys updated about the whole trip situation. So let's see. So I'm all ready and this is what my outfit looks like. So I've simply worn a top and a jeans and I'll pair it up with my Crocs because I have to walk a lot. So now I'm heading out for my bus. So catch you there. बोट टाके असले
दाखवली मग
परत टाकायचं बोट टाके कळलं. ओके, ये देखो अभी जादू. मिस्टर DIY का कमाल है गाइस. वाओ, ये क्या है गाइस, नॉन स्पॉन्सर्ड. Almost about to reach, just 5 minutes away from the bus stand. We checked into our hotel just now. So right now अभी हम लोग थोड़ा फ्रेशन अप होंगे, रेडी मतलब सिर्फ फेस एंड ऑल थोड़ा वॉश करके रेडी होके खाने के लिए जाएंगे एंड देन शॉपिंग. फिर एक दो जगह पे घूमने जाएंगे. लेट्स सी, अभी तक पता नहीं है कहाँ पे जाएंगे. और फिर अगेन शॉपिंग, खाना एंड देन बैक टू होटल. सो सी यू इन अ बिट. वी आर रेडी. वी आर हेडिंग आउट फॉर लंच नाउ. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 2:30 p.m. So let's see if we get good thalis to it. Otherwise we'll have to compromise on food and eat whatever we get. So let's see now. Now we are walking towards the zoo. तो पहले हम पहले कहाँ इतने हमें
मुक्ति मार्ट
एंड देन उसके साइड में ही जू है. तो पहले मुक्ति मार्ट करेंगे फिर जू में जाएंगे. It's my first time, like I have come so many times to Belgaum, but it's my first time looking at the other side of Belgaum and it feels so good. बहुत अच्छा है यहाँ पे.
फर्स्ट टाइम विथ मी टू.
ये मेरी टूर गाइड है भाई. तो ये मुझे घुमा रही है हर जगह पे. Now we have come to the zoo finally and it's really very pretty. Fun fact, एक बात हुई कि हमको टिकट निकालना था और ये मेरी टूर गाइड भूल गई कि हमें टिकट निकालना है. तो लिटरली हमको जो टिकट लेने वाला था उसने पूछा कि टिकट कहाँ पे है. तो हम लोगों ने बोला हम लोग को पता नहीं टिकट के बारे में. तो उसने वापस भेजा टिकट निकालने एंड दिस इज़ द टिकट हम लोगों ने जो निकाला है. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज़ अभी बजे है 5 और 5:30 को ये बंद होने वाला है. तो हमको जल्दी से जल्दी निकलना पड़ेगा. तो अभी देखते हैं इधर क्या क्या है. come to shop a bit. So let's see, अभी शॉपिंग करेंगे जितना होता है उतना, बस ₹1 का शॉपिंग नहीं किया है. So let's see. How much excited are you to shop right now?
Very much.
Now finally we are heading back to our hotel. बीच में हमें मैंगो की लत लग गई थी बिकॉज हर जगह पे यहाँ मैंगो यहाँ मिल रहे थे. आप सुन सकते हो ब्लॉग में. ऑलमोस्ट 1:30 and this girl, she wants to watch movie, so we are doing that right now along with her cake which she is eating since like past 1 hour now. Not 1 hour, just kidding, but at least more than 15-20 minutes she's been eating the same pastry which she's eating. So it's day 2 and so right now we are all dolled up. So we are going to a place Khayega. So we are going to Kamal Basti. I know I have to ask her again and again because she's my tour guide as I said. So now we are heading to Kamal Basti. We'll click some good pictures there. That's why we have dressed up so much. So after that again after that we'll go to have some breakfast because we won't have breakfast now. So later we'll have some breakfast and then we will go back to shopping and then we are going back home. So see you in a bit. As I said that we are going to Kamal Basti, so we are almost there. It was like 5-10 minutes of walking, so we decided on to walk. So yeah. I've reached Kamal Basti. Before that, we visited 2-3 temples there. It was very nice. The way they had decorated it was really very pretty. So now we have come to Kamal Basti. It looks exactly like Tamri Sulla which we have in Goa. So let's see how it looks. Shop a bit. We are heading to some market where we'll shop now. So let's see. I'm very tired already, but I need to shop a lot. So it's almost 3:30 p.m. right now. So at 4 we have our bus. So we are checking out from our hotel right now. So I want to ask you, what was the most favorite part of yours from this whole trip?
Of course, shopping. No doubt. But after coming to Belgaum, we ended up shopping in Trends. Anyways, and then the next favorite part was visiting Mukti Mart.
Yeah.
Great
Superb.
place.
Yes. Same for me also. For me, I have come Belgaum so many times, but I have never visited the side of Belgaum which I visited this time because of her, thanks to her. And I love the Mukti Mart. Of course, it was so good. I never thought that Belgaum could have such things, and I enjoyed it thoroughly. Of course, shopping part, that though we love so much, and I shopped a lot. Let's see if I can do a haul or something, but yeah, it was very good. So yeah, that was it for my vlog. So now we are checking out, we are going, so I don't think I'll be able to vlog that part much. So yes, I would just like to say thanks for watching this vlog and hope you all enjoyed watching this. So see you in my next one. So till then, bye.
Bye bye.